Good evening.
Welcome to Maple & Co.
Thank you. It smells amazing in here.
Ha, that's the soup. It's very popular.
I can see why.
Is it your first time here?
Yes, it is. A friend recommended it.
That's great to hear. Table for one?
Yes, just me tonight.
Perfect. Follow me, please.
Oh, can I sit by the window?
Of course. Right this way.
Thank you. This is lovely.
My name is Tom. I'll be your server tonight.
Nice to meet you, Tom. I'm Sarah.
Nice to meet you, Sarah. Can I start you off with something to drink?
Yes, please. What do you have?
We have still and sparkling water, juice, soft drinks,
Sparkling water is fine.
a glass or a bottle.
A glass, please.
Coming right up. Here's the menu.
Thank you. Can I have a few minutes?
Take your time, no rush at all. Here's your water.
Thank you. Can I ask you something?
Of course.
What's the difference between the two salmon dishes?
One is grilled, one is pan-fried.
Which one do you prefer?
Honestly, the grilled one. It's lighter.
Good to know.
Are you a fan of fish in general?
I love it. I eat it almost every week.
Then you'll love the salmon here.
You're very convincing.
It's easy when the food is good.
Okay, I think I'm ready.
Wonderful. What would you like to start with?
The tomato soup, please.
Great choice. And for the main?
The grilled salmon. You sold me.
Ha, you won't regret it. How would you like it cooked?
Medium, please.
Perfect. It comes with roasted vegetables and mashed potatoes.
Oh, lovely. Can I swap the potatoes?
Of course. What would you like instead?
Do you have rice?
We do. Brown or white?
Brown, please.
Done. Anything else?
No, I think that's it.
So, tomato soup to start, grilled salmon medium, brown rice.
Yes, that's perfect.
Excellent. I'll put that in right away.
How long will it take?
The soup will be about 10 minutes.
And the salmon?
Another 15 after that.
No problem. I'm in no hurry.
Perfect. Can I get you anything else while you wait?
Actually, can I have some bread?
Of course. We have sourdough and olive bread.
Olive bread, please.
I'll bring it right out.
You're very kind, Tom.
My pleasure. Enjoy your evening.
Thank you. I already am.
Excuse me.
Yes? How can I help?
I've been waiting for a while now.
Oh, I'm sorry. How long has it been?
About 40 minutes.
40 minutes? That's too long. I apologize.
I ordered a salad and a pasta. It's not complicated.
You're absolutely right. Let me check for you right now.
Thank you.
I'm very sorry. There was a mix-up in the kitchen.
A mix-up?
Your order was sent to the wrong table by mistake.
Oh, that's frustrating.
I completely understand. It won't happen again.
So, how long will it take now?
10 minutes. I'll rush it personally.
Okay, thank you for being honest.
Of course. Can I bring you some bread while you wait?
Yes, please. I'm starving.
I'll bring it right now. Here's your salad and pasta. I'm truly sorry for the wait.
Thank you. It looks delicious.
We'd like to offer you a complimentary dessert tonight.
Oh, that's very kind. Thank you.
It's the least we can do. Enjoy your meal.
I appreciate it. Really.
Just wave if you need anything.
Will do. Thanks again.
Good afternoon. Bella Italia. How can I help you?
Hi. I'd like to make a reservation, please.
Of course. For how many people?
For 4 people.
And what date were you thinking?
This Saturday, the 15th.
And what time?
Around 7:30 if possible.
Let me check. One moment, please.
Sure, no problem.
Good news. 7:30 is available.
Wonderful.
Can I take your name, please?
It's Anna. Anna Collins.
And a phone number?
Sure, it's 07712334556.
Perfect. Do you have any special requests?
Actually, yes. One of my friends is vegetarian.
No problem. I'll make a note of that.
And can we have a table near the window?
I'll do my best. I can't guarantee it, but I'll try.
That's fine, thank you.
So, to confirm, 4 people, Saturday the 15th at 7:30,
That's correct.
under the name Anna Collins.
Yes, perfect.
We'll see you Saturday. Have a lovely day.
You too. Bye.
Goodbye.
Excuse me?
Yes. How was everything?
It was delicious. Really lovely.
I'm glad to hear that.
Could we have the bill, please?
Of course. I'll bring it right away.
Thank you.
Here you go.
Thank you. Let me have a look.
Take your time.
I think there's a mistake here.
Oh? What's wrong?
We ordered 2 glasses of wine, but it says 3.
Let me check. One moment.
Sure.
You're right. I'm very sorry about that.
No problem. These things happen.
I'll bring the corrected bill now. Here's the updated bill. £42 in total.
Perfect. Can we split it?
Of course. How would you like to split it?
Half and half, please.
So £21 each.
Exactly. I'll pay by card.
And your friend?
She'll pay cash.
No problem at all. Here's the card machine.
Thank you. The food was amazing.
Thank you so much. Come back soon.
We definitely will.
Good morning, the Ivy table. How can I help?
Hi, I'd like to plan a birthday dinner.
How lovely. When is the birthday?
This Friday, the 20th.
And how many guests?
Just 2. It's a surprise for my girlfriend.
Oh, how sweet. I love that.
I want everything to be perfect.
Don't worry, we do this all the time. What time would you like to arrive?
Around 8 o'clock.
Perfect. Would you like flowers on the table?
Yes, she loves roses. Pink ones, if possible.
Pink roses. Beautiful. Done.
Can you also bring a birthday cake?
We can. Do you have a preference?
She loves chocolate.
Chocolate cake it is. Shall we write a message on it?
Yes. Happy birthday, Emma. I love you.
That's adorable. I'll write that down.
Thank you so much.
Is there anything else you'd like?
Actually, can you play some soft music?
We always do. Jazz or classical?
Jazz, please. She loves jazz.
Perfect. We'll have everything ready.
And she doesn't know anything about this.
Don't worry. Our team is very discreet.
You're a lifesaver.
Happy to help. She's a lucky girl.
Ha, I hope she thinks so too.
She will. See you Friday.
See you Friday. Thank you again.
Excuse me, can I ask you something?
Of course. What would you like to know?
I have a gluten intolerance.
Okay. I'll do my best to help.
Is the pasta gluten-free?
Unfortunately, no. It's regular wheat pasta.
I see. What about the risotto?
The risotto is naturally gluten-free, yes.
Oh, great. And the sauce?
Let me check with the kitchen. One moment. Good news. The sauce is gluten-free too.
Perfect. What about cross-contamination?
That's a great question.
I have to be careful.
I understand completely. Our kitchen handles gluten products.
So there is a risk?
A small one, yes. I want to be honest with you.
I appreciate that. My intolerance isn't severe.
In that case, the risotto should be fine.
Okay, I'll go with that then.
Excellent choice. Which risotto? Mushroom or seafood?
The mushroom, please.
And for starters?
Is the soup gluten-free?
The tomato soup is. The chicken soup is not.
Tomato soup, please.
Perfect. I'll let the kitchen know about your intolerance.
Thank you so much. You've been really helpful.
My pleasure. Enjoy your meal.
Excuse me?
Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't see you there.
No worries. You look very busy.
It's been a crazy afternoon. What can I do for you?
I just have a small request.
Of course. What is it?
Could I get some more water, please?
Absolutely. Still or sparkling?
Still, please.
Coming right up. Anything else?
Actually, yes. Could I have some extra napkins?
Of course. How many?
Just a couple. I spilled a little.
Oh no, let me bring some right away.
Thank you. It's just water. No damage.
Ha, that's a relief. Here you go.
Perfect. Oh, one more thing.
Sure. What is it?
Could you turn the air conditioning down a little?
Is it too cold?
Just a little bit, yes.
I'll ask the manager. We can't control it from here.
Of course. No problem at all.
The manager turned it up slightly. Is that better?
Much better. Thank you.
Sorry for all the chaos today.
Don't worry. You're doing great.
That's sweet of you. Can I get you anything else?
I think I'm good now. Thank you.
Let me know if you need anything. I'll keep an eye on you.
Haha, I'll try not to spill anything else.
Good plan.
How can I help?
Hi, I'd like to order for delivery, please.
Of course. What's your address?
It's 14 Maple Street, flat 3B,
And your phone number?
07890-123-456.
Great. What would you like to order?
Can I get the chicken fried rice?
Large or small?
Large, please.
Anything else?
Yes, the spring rolls. How many come in a portion?
4 pieces.
I'll take 2 portions then.
Got it. Anything else?
The sweet and sour pork. Is it very spicy?
Not at all. It's quite mild.
Perfect. I'll have that too.
And any sauces or drinks?
Extra soy sauce, please. No drinks.
Done. Anything else?
I think that's everything.
Let me confirm your order. Chicken fried rice, large, 2 portions of spring rolls, sweet and sour pork, extra soy sauce.
That's right.
The total is £18.50.
Can I pay by card when it arrives?
Yes, our driver has a card machine.
Great. How long will it take?
About 30 to 40 minutes.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you for calling. Enjoy your meal.
I will. Bye.
Hi there. What can I get you?
Hey, can I have a cheeseburger?
Single or double patty?
Double, please. I'm really hungry.
Ha, good choice. Any extras?
Extra pickles and no onions, please.
Got it. Extra pickles, no onions.
Perfect.
Would you like a combo meal?
What does it come with?
Fries and a drink.
How much extra is that?
Just 2 pounds more.
That's good value. Yeah, I'll take the combo.
What size fries? Small, medium, or large?
Large. Why not?
And your drink?
Diet Coke, please.
Large too?
Yes, please.
Anything else?
Actually, can I add a chocolate milkshake?
Of course. That's $2.50 extra.
Fine. Go for it.
Okay, your total is £10.70.
Here's my card.
Thank you. Your order number is 42.
Great. How long?
About 5 minutes. We'll call your number.
Perfect. Thanks.
Enjoy your meal.
Excuse me.
Hi, can I help you?
Yes, please. I've never been to a buffet before.
Oh, really? Welcome.
Thank you. I don't know where to start.
Don't worry, it's easier than it looks.
That's good to hear.
Have you paid at the front yet?
Yes, I paid when I came in.
Perfect. Then you're all set.
So, how does it work exactly?
You can serve yourself as much as you want.
As much as I want?
Yes, as many times as you'd like.
Wow, that's dangerous for me.
Most people say that.
Do I need to use a new plate each time?
Yes, please. Fresh plate every time.
Got it. Where are the plates?
Right at the start of each station, you'll see them.
How many stations are there?
5. Hot food, cold food, salads, desserts, and drinks.
Are the drinks included?
Soft drinks and water, yes. Alcohol is extra.
That's fair. What's in the hot food station today?
Roast chicken, pasta, curry, rice, and vegetables.
Oh, that all sounds amazing.
We also have soup near the entrance.
I didn't see that.
It's easy to miss. It's just on your left.
I'm allergic to nuts. Is that a problem?